from the nature.
This is
yeah.
gorgeous.
We have the flower tree by there.
Just picked it this morning.
It's delicious. Where else would you have the opportunity to do something like this, to enjoy?
An amazing
Fresh
woman with amazing tea.
It's amazing.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So what do you put in this? Just the leaves and the
Just the
lime?
flower and hot water
And the lime.
and the lime. That's it.
That's it. So fresh honey from the forest of Thailand. It adds a sweet aftertaste. So you get the citrus from the lime to start, and the freshness from the flower, and then it finishes with a nice sweetness. Mark, do you want to try this one?
If real honey, you will
my
get to see the
gosh.
wax.
The wax.
That's just the wax.
Is it floral?
Yeah, it smells different than any honey I've ever.
Oh, wow.
Can I try some of that?
Yes.
Just like on the spoon. Interesting. That is the best honey I've ever tasted in my life. It almost tastes like a wine.
It's not passing the factory.
Oh,
not
wow.
passing any heat or anything.
That's just straight out of the honeycomb.
I get there is one time a year from the guy that's like a find the honey for sale.
It's so good.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah. If I run out of this, I have to buy the one from factory. Yeah.
That's better.
And as much as he bring, I just buy from him. Just take all of them.
It's not as thick as other honey. It's liquidy.
Yeah.
It's
It's less viscous.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we break the leaves off.
Yes, like that. If you go to the part that storm, you don't need them. Just take like that.
Here.
Yes, like that.
So will this last you the entire day for cooking? This much morning glory is good for the whole day for cooking?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You will. If we pick up from the farm like this, I mean, when we cook it and you eat it, you feel different from you go eat another restaurant.
It's
Better
just
nutrients.
interesting.
You guys eat bamboo soup here,
No.
so I will give you that chef.
She said that is Thai. Yeah, Thai food. So it's because it takes too long to have in a restaurant.
Oh, that's one of the ones that
It's one of the secret sauces.
secret squirrel recipe.
Yeah.
But you will eat it tonight for dinner.
Okay.
You just
Fresh basil. Picked from the garden this morning. So how do we cook the basil?
basil. See the basil, and then on top.
Okay.
Amazing.
There we go.
Oh, the chilies.
Now the chili part.
So basil is kapow.
Yeah.
What does pad mean?
Stir fry.
Stir fry. So it's like stir fried basil is pad kapow.
Yeah, little bit the chili, the big one.
Mark got the big one?
Yeah, and
Biggins.
then
The big uns.
yeah. So okay,
You break. Okay.
just leave the stem in here. Yep.
12 cloves of garlic, so a good amount of
That's it.
garlic.
Don't
And
look
you
it
don't
up.
look. We learned.
Look away.
Look away.
And go like that.
Oh, you get so you're doing a circle.
Yeah.
It's a pound in a circle.
See?
So
Rolly.
Just like that.
time to cook. Pull out the wok.
Yeah, put it in. That's it. Okay. You get smell, so you.
Oh, once the
ที่หมวยขอ
smell, you
น้ำหน่
throw
อย
the meat
ที่
in.
หมวยขอน้ำหน่อยเตอร์ไฟเดี๋ยวรีโฟชิลีเบิร์ดแอบนิดนึง too much
A little bit of water.
just to help the hot cook yeah a little bit of water
It like steams it.
yeah steam it yeah not too much and then 1 teaspoon
1
soy
teaspoon
sauce.
soy sauce.
And 1 teaspoon of golden sauce,
What's the other one?
golden sauce,
Golden sauce.
and then half teaspoon of sugar, a little bit of chicken stock. Yeah.
Sugar and chicken stock.
And this one you have to ask Elliot. I don't know what the name called, okay? But Elliot know that.
We'll get pictures of it.
Yeah. Cook, and then we add 1 tablespoon of the oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
And then especially this extra for you,นะคะ. We don't put it, and then we add kapow.
Kapow!
Yes. And kapow, yeah.
Smells so good. Wish you guys could smell this. Yeah?
Wow.
Oh my.
Everyone knows the rule.
So, you know what? So
Yes.
for Thai dish, you need to eat with fried egg. So
Oh.
go get 1 fried egg from her.
Egg.
And then,
Yum.
yeah. And come to get rice.
Is there rice in the cooker?
Yes. A little bit salty. Yeah. It adds some taste to the rice.
Yeah.
And the chilies, they're not too powerful. Well. Hold on. Let me sit with it. We had a Myanmar salad this morning.
Oh my god.
And it was delicious.
Oh yeah, the tea leaf salad.
Tea leaf salad is
So good.
Like the crunchies in there.
Those little nuts and it's so many different flavors.
Thank you.
I feel the same way about Thai food. There's a lot of complexities in the food.
Yeah.
You have salty, you have sweet, you have nutty, you have hot,
The herby.
herb. Yeah.
How do you describe them? The five pillars of Thai food.
Sweet, sour, salty, spicy, and man. You get the man like from the milk or from the coconut
The
milk.
good feeling in your mouth. Like when you have a creamy soup.
The richness.
Yeah. So if
That's
you
what
have
I love about Penang. Like all the curries, it's like, oh, it's like buttery.
Yeah, it puts it in your mouth and you're like,
Buttery
oh.
richness, yes.
Is that what you were saying yesterday about the coconut milk, the oils that come out when you cook it?
Yeah.
You and a lot of Thai people, we talk about there's like a time course to each bite. There's a certain way you eat different dishes. It's like, oh, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of that. And it's all about, when you put it on your spoon and eat it, so it's all about, you get the smell when it comes there, and then when you first bite in, there's that first kind of aroma. And then as you're chewing, you get a flavor, and then after you swallow, there's the leftover taste in your mouth.
Interesting. So
As
it's
a
like
whole.
they build each bite.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, spicy. yeah.
And you,
So Mark cooked this bamboo curry with the help of Oi.
Of course.
She is Mama Pie and Master Chef.
That is the shape for today.
So, this is pig's blood, and I'm about to eat it. This is my first one bite.
Because Oi says so, and it
Because
says
Oi
it's
said
delicious.
it's good. In one bite, everyone knows the rules. Wow.
is that not tasty?
That's
Eric's
really
like,
good.
right?
Like, why is that good?
Yeah.
Just a nice scoop of pig's blood soup.
Yeah. Because you can really taste the kefir.
The Kiefer Sutherland?
Kefir Sutherland in there. The kefir lime. It tastes like curry, like a cold curry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right? Right?
It's fresh. And it has that like delicious
That
aftertaste.
lime,
After
yeah.
you take the first bite, you get like a ton of flavor.
Like, if you didn't know what that was, you would love it.
I do love it.
Yeah.
I know what it is and I love it.
Well, I meant, like, you wouldn't
I
be
wouldn't
like,
order
it
it.
wouldn't be,
You wouldn't be hesitant.
yeah.